Here is a video of playing with my friend's dog. Roxy! What's your name? Roxy! How you doing? Here's Allie, her owner. There's Roxy's owner. Roxy! Go check out Olivia's video playing with my friend's dog. She's playing with Blonde. She's a Jack Russell. She's a Jack Russell. That's a Boston. Roxy! This is a Boston Terrier. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're gonna put you guys somewhere else. So we're playing with. Comment down below if you have a Boston What are you sniffing? You're sniffing your owner's pants. Ow! You bit me! Kick. Roxy! Ah! Don't step on me! Roxy! So that is the end of this video. Come here. Say goodbye. Goodbye, YouTube. Comment down below. Please like this video. Please subscribe. Trying to hit 10,000 subscribers to get a golden play button. Bye.